Are you sure about that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a curly wig from Elva hair. Now this wig is 150 density, it's 10 inches, and it's a 370 lace wig. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out the description box for any other wig videos you may be interested in. And also the link to the hair will be down below. So this is what the hair looks like right out of the box. I decided not to touch it so you can see it in its natural state without any manipulation done to it. So the curl pattern on this wig is super natural. Like, wow, it's pretty. It's really pretty. So it's super soft too, by the way. And for people who are not good at plucking or bleaching, this is perfect for you because you don't have to do no work to this wig if you don't want to. The hairline is thin enough for you to throw on your head, and the knots are not like harsh and black, so you can get away without doing anything to this wig, which is pretty bomb. So my sister was teaching me how to bleach the knots and how to apply it gently and all that. So the video was sped up so it may look like she's doing it harsh, but she's actually doing it very soft. But this is my first time doing it. So if you see me doing something that's not normal or kind of like wrong, it's my first time. If anything, drop a comment down below giving me advice on how to do this. And one thing I did notice that I probably did wrong is that I kind of bleached some of my baby hairs on the wig. And you know, it's my first time ever bleaching, so I'm not really mad about it. But if you know how to prevent that from happening, can you please comment down below and, you know, help a girl out?
Stiff wear. Woo! Stiff wear.
Okay, so sorry if I look bogus. I wasn't really planning on like looking like this, whatever. But this hair is like super nice. It keeps on surprising me. I didn't know it was like a 360 wig. So during the video, I didn't know that it was actually a 360 wig. My sister had to tell me that, because usually when I purchase wigs, there's lace in the back anyway and you have to cut it. So I thought that was just what this one was, but no, I was wrong. So yeah. Because you can like put your hair up, but my sister got to help me with that because I never had that before. So she has to help me cut that, but I can't even cut it. I'm just right now, I'm just looking at myself in the mirror and just like, it looks super real. And the fact that we bleached the knots, it's going to blend into my skin like so well, and I'm like so ready for it. But like, y'all, look at this. I have so much freaking parting room. Like if I wanted to do something on that side, if I wanted to hit it over here,